Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how we can change the sprites costumes. So first step is I'll change the name as change costumes. So here I'm going to change the costumes of the sprites. The next step is I'll delete the sprite of the cat. And now what I'm going to do is I'll select one of the sprite, and from this I'll choose one animal. So you can select any of the sprite of your choice. So here I'll choose this dog. So I have taken one dog sprite here. I can place it anywhere, and now I'll select one of the backdrop. So you can select any of the backdrop from the given available options. You can have any patterns, you can have any indoors. So I just feel that we can have something like this, and see, my dog is here. So what I have done is I have chosen one backdrop and I have chosen one sprite. Now the next thing is we are going to use the code. So first step is we have ready the interface, that is this room backdrop, as well as we have put the sprite here. The next step will be about the code. So when this sprite is clicked, so when someone click the sprite, when someone click the dog, then something should happen. So I'll go to the event and I'll select when this sprite is clicked. You are very much familiar now how to give this sprite option. Now the next thing is I want to switch the costume. So the costume switching part is there. Here in the looks. Now you can see that here I'm having this talking types of code, that is in the first. In the second option we are having this switching option. So you want to switch the costume of the sprite. Now I'll just select this, I'll put this, and here I'm having three options. So you can have dog like A, or you can have a dog like B, or you can have a dog like C. You can select any of the costume for this option. Then I'll wait for some time. For that you have to go to the control and then you can put this wait time. So for how much time you want your costume to be there for first initial part, let us suppose I select here 4 seconds. And again now I'm going to looks part and I'm going to switch the costume of the dog to other part, and then I'll wait for some time. Let us suppose for 3 seconds, and then I'm going to change my costume to the third option which is available for the dog. So from looks option I'll select this switch costume option and I'll select A. And now if I just check this, when I click on this sprite, see, it's like C. Then for 4 seconds it has changed look, and then again for the 3 seconds it's like this. So I'm having this and this and this. So what you want to do is I'm selecting A part here, C part here, and B part here, so that you can have a beautiful look. So for the first position, it is like he is going forward, then he is thinking of something, and then again he is going. Fine. So if you want a realistic look here, you can put a simple message when you want to switch this costume to the C part. Here you can say you want it to think something. I am putting it here, and he can think what it is. Fine. I'll just click here. He's going forward for 4 seconds, and then he'll think, oh, what is it? And then he'll go forward. So yes, you can put any of the information, any of the things here. What is it? So in this way, you can change the costumes of your sprites. The thing is, your sprite must contain some costumes. So you will find many sprites which are having many costumes, but many of the sprites are those which do not have any costumes. So you have to see whether these costumes are available in the chosen sprite or not. The another option is you can go to the costume part and you can see all these things available here. So the dog A will be like this, dog B will be like this, and dog C will be like this. So when you select some sprite, for example, if I choose one more sprite like this, let us suppose a girl is there, and now I just want to see the available costumes. You can see there are total of 4 costumes I can have for this girl, right? So in this way you can have different type of costumes available for your sprites. Stay tuned for more fun. Thank you so much for watching this video.